Hello everyone, how's it going? I'm Samson Wang, a Beijinger living in the UK. Recently, a video went viral about how to cook rice. From the video, it shows quite different way from how we normally cook rice. So many of my friends ask me how the Chinese people cook rice. So today, I'm gonna show you how to do that. And also, I'm not a professional chef. So if your rice cooker want to explode, I do not take any responsibility. So the rice we're using today is like a standard rice from the supermarket, so it can really easy to find them and like a really cheap to make the rice. So first of all, you just pour the amount of rice you want to cook into the like a rice cooker container. So now you can see that's the amount normally for me and my wife is enough. So here's a tip. So when you put the rice in, if you have a larger rice cooker, so you make sure you do not only put like one portion for the things, because normally if you only put a small amount for the big rice cooker, that normally doesn't cook really well. Just put maybe more, and then the rice cooker can help you to cook that evenly and nicely. You need to wash the rice and like the dust outside the rice to be clean. So now you can see that's some like the dust from the rice. Yeah, normally I wash them like about twice. So just make sure all the dust is away. So if you like to eat the rice really soft or quite fluffy, so you can do is leave the rice in the water for an hour or 2 hours. So that allows the water to soak into the rice and give a nice flavor. Now it's a really important bit for cooking the rice is how much water you put in. Chinese traditional is about the fingertip. So actually it's from the fingertip top to the rice. So that's how much water you can add in.
Just use finger. You put rice, put water until finger. First join the finger.
Trust me, it works all the time. It's a golden finger rule. So let's have a test. Look. Yeah, the rice, the water is just above my fingertip. Okay. Now your rice cooker power on, so you can just chill, relax, watch a film, and let the rice cooker do the job. And later we can see the result. Now let's see the rice. Another way to cook rice, obviously if you don't have a rice cooker, like when I was young, I don't have a rice cooker, so you can just use the saucepan. The preparation for cooking the rice using the saucepan and the rice cooker is exactly the same. So you just wash the rice and put the amount of water in. And after that, for using the saucepan, important bit, you have to, from the cold water, to boil the rice. Alright, during the time to boil it, you need to stir the rice in the saucepan so that doesn't get stuck on the bottom of the saucepan. When the rice totally boiled, you're going to turn the heat down. Also, during the cooking time, you try to leave a little bit gap here between the lid and the saucepan so that the bubble doesn't overflow to the saucepan. When the water evaporates a lot, so at that time you need to put the lid back on. Now the rice is about to finish. What do you need to do? Just like turn off the gas and then just let the rice rest inside for another like 10 minutes, so it can suck the water in and also cook more nicely. The last tip for you is in case you cook the rice with a saucepan and you burn the rice because you forgot how long you left it in. So there's a way to save it. You need to cut a portion of the leek and stack that into the rice and put the lid on and leave for like 5 to 10 minutes. So the flavor of the leek can neutralize the burning smell from the rice, so which makes the rice still eatable. Also, if you like to do the egg fried rice, the one of the old traditional tip is we use the leftover rice rather than the new steamed rice. The leftover rice gives it this like a harder texture and then makes it nicer with the eggs. I hope you enjoy the video I made today, and hope you try a little bit the Chinese way to cook the rice. And of course, there's a different culture, different way to cooking. So for me, I think like just share the way you cook and try to find the best way suit for you. Okay, I'll see you next time, guys.